I wasn't expecting it to be that steep. It's easier to go this way.
Yeah. Good on you for not falling.
But that was no fun. That was pretty stupid. We're playing conservative all day.
Hey, if that's as bad as it gets, we're good.
Yeah, well.
I couldn't believe it when you were doing it. I was like, okay.
Oh yeah, I like jammed my fucking shoulders.
Yeah, that was a bit of a bump in the road.
With the bikes fueled up, we headed back towards Whitburn. The nearest gas station is about 5 kilometers out by the TCH, an annoying little detour, but it had to be done. Just before we got back on the trailway, we passed the old Whitburn train. We didn't stop this time, but I still wanted to share some drone footage from a previous trip. There's something about those old cars, faded paint, rusted metal, and the way they're tucked into the landscape. It almost gives you a moment to imagine what the railway must have been like when it was alive. Seen from above, it feels almost frozen in time, a reminder of what used to run straight across the island before the trailway took its place. This is one of the spots we've been looking forward to the most, the Doe Hills. We've driven through it so many times on the highway, sometimes getting a clear look, sometimes nothing but fog. But being up here on the bikes was the first time we really got to take it in. With the elevation and the ocean on either side of us, it was so nice to finally see how open and rugged this place really is. It's definitely somewhere I can see us coming back to explore more of. This also put us past the 100-kilometer mark in our trip, a quiet milestone as as we started closing in on the end of day one.
I wish so much that there was still a train in Newfoundland. Like, I love riding this, don't get me wrong, I wouldn't want to lose it, but at the same time, I wish I could have both. It'd be much nicer going home to Central and stuff, like just get on, fall asleep, wake up, be home. Oh, this is Little Harbour Access Road.
Does it cross over the highway?
It goes out to the highway,
Oh, yeah.
but doesn't cross over it.
No, I mean the trailway. Do we cross over to the other side of the highway? No.
Yes. Probably in another 5-10K maybe.
Oh yeah.
Yep. I think me shorts and me arse cheeks may be one. They have welded together.
That's a nice visual I got there.
Hey, bye.
Yeah.
Indeed.
Yeah. Ready?
Yes, sir.
climb or jump on moose. Disappointing. That was my first idea.